Hi everybody, how's everyone doing? So I decided to go for a walk today. It's such a lovely day. We have some sunshine, fresh air. I'll show you where I'm at, guys. Do you guys like to visit parks with your families? It's so fun, especially the playgrounds, huh? The book that we are reading today is called I Love Cake. I Love Cake by Frances Gilbert. Today, I am going to bake a cake. I am going to bake a cake. I like to crack the eggs. Crack, crack, crack. I like to mix the batter. Mix, mix, mix. I pour it into the pans. Grandma puts the pans in the oven. Now I have to wait. I do not like to wait for cake. Bake, bake, bake. Beep, beep, beep. My cake is baked. I want to eat it now. But first, I need to frost my cake. I love pink frosting. I also love purple, blue, yellow, and red frosting. Perfect. Now I need to make my cake fancy. It needs strawberries. It also needs lollipops, jelly beans, and candy canes. Perfect. Now I need to write words on my cake. I write the words Happy Birthday. Now I can eat my cake. Grandma puts my cake on a table. But my cake is too big. Oops, my cake fell over, but I still want to eat it. Happy birthday, Mom! I baked you a cake. I love my mom, and I love cake. Do you guys enjoy helping your parents or grandparents bake and cook in the kitchen? It is almost Thanksgiving, and you know what that means. Lots and lots of cooking and baking in the kitchen. I hope you guys have lots of fun helping your moms, your aunts, your grandmas cook in the kitchen and then enjoying all the yummy food. Have an amazing day, everyone. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you very soon. Bye.